A very good morning to all my students. How are you all? I am Miss Ankita, your social science teacher for class 7 from Monbretia School. As we have completed our chapter that is Inside the Earth, today I will be doing the objectives for this chapter. Okay? So please open your social science book, chapter number 2, that is Inside the Earth, and be ready, and please keep a pencil with you. Okay? Let us start with the objective type questions for our chapter Inside the Earth, that is chapter number 2. Please open page number 21 for geography. Everyone, please open. Now the first one. Give one word for the following. Number 1. The solid crust of rocks forming the surface of the earth. What will be the answer? This we have done in the previous chapter also. The solid crust of rocks forming the surface of the earth. Lithosphere. Yes, it is the solid crust of rock which forms the surface of the earth. Now, number 2. The remains of plants and animals. The remains of plants and animals are called? Yes, fossils. F-O-S-S-I-L-S. Fossils. Okay. Now, third one. The individual chemical substances which make up rocks. What will be the answer? Yes, it will be minerals. I have striked off this magma. Don't write this. Minerals. Okay. The main element which forms the rock is the mineral. Right? Now, a molten material ejected through a volcano from the interior of the earth. Now, which material which is been ejected through a volcano from the interior of the earth? Magma. It is the most important component for the formation of all rocks also. A rock material deposited on the surface of the earth after the ejection of a volcano. Now, which is the rock material deposited on the surface of the earth? Yes, lava. Answer is lava. L-A-V-A. Now, the sixth one. The point in the interior of the earth from where the earthquake tremor originates. Now, the point in the interior of the earth from where the earthquake actually originates is the focus. Focus. It is also known as the seismic focus, right? Clear? Now, select the correct answers. Number 1. Dash is the uppermost layer of the earth. This is very easy. Yes, the crust. Answer is B. The crust. Now, the volcanic material deposited on the surface of the earth is known as surface of the earth. It is written. So, it will be lava. Right? Now, the intensity of an earthquake is measured with the help of. How is the intensity of the earthquake measured? We have done in the previous video. Yes, seismograph. And the science for the study of earthquake is called? Yes, seismography. Seismology, sorry. The study for the science of earthquake is seismology. But here they have asked the intensity of an earthquake is measured. The answer will be seismograph. Okay. Now 10th one. Dash contain fossil fuels. Now which rock contains fossil fuel? Yes, sedimentary rock. as the remains of the plants and animals, they all get accumulated in the sediments and it forms the sedimentary rock, right? Now, coal is found in dash rocks. It is found in sedimentary rock, as the coal is formed from the remains of the plants and animals. Okay, that is why it is found in sedimentary rocks. Okay, done. Now in the very next video I will be starting with the question and answers for this chapter, and I will also continue with this objective. Okay, till then your homework is you will read one word answers and the MCQ part. Okay, and you will read and learn it. This will be your homework. Okay, thank you.